Beautiful day out today. Hey, puppy. Good morning. We're looking for tires. We may have found a tire today. Yes, sir. Look at that tire. That tire's got to be 6 feet round. Not sure what it's from. What could that tire possibly be from? Dog's very excited. Okay, let's look at the moss. People say that more moss grows to the north side. If you're out in the wilderness and you see a tree with a bunch of moss on it, the moss grows to the north. You see the most moss on this tree is towards us, and that is the north. So very, very interesting to know that more moss grows on the north side of the tree because of less sun over the years. There's another thing down here, very interesting. The ice is gone. The river the ice disappeared last night. Yesterday was April 20th. We came down here on April 20th. And we've had all the ice. And now today, April 21st, it's gone. The water flows. To all the shut-ins, those that can't make it out, hello. Hi, boys and girls, welcome. My name is Dwayne Fred Lowe. We're at the Muskwa River in Fort Nelson. We're monitoring the water levels. We may have to go catch a good fish out of there. It's that time of year. But the ice has officially gone now in Fort Nelson. You can see the traffic going across on the bridge. Not really much, can't see much. But the ice is officially gone. Today is, what is that thing cruising, the yellow thing? Today is April 21st, the ice is gone. I was reading about what's this white thing up here? Let's have a look at this white thing up a tree here. What is that thing over there? Just almost looked like something climbed up that tree, but no. The bears are out. They came out of their hibernation holes. This is how it appears today, the 21st of April, in Fort Nelson. The ice is gone on both rivers. This is the Muskwa River. This Muskwa runs into the Sikanee River. And the Sikanee River runs into this river, the Muskwa, which makes the Fort Nelson River, which then runs into the Liard River, which then runs into the Mackenzie, which then flows into the ocean. So if we throw a bottle in here with our name on it, who knows where it'll end up. We should do that one of these days as an experiment. But that's what's happening. We come down here to check the ice to make sure the ice is gone. It's springtime. We made it another year. A beautiful time of year. The Easter Bunny has come and gone. But we have something very interesting here. A 6-foot tire. Let's have a look at this tire here. Found this tire here. It's about 6 feet round. Don't know how it ended up down here. Have a good day. Ciao.